me take you to the product pricing. Okay, so let me take an example of an annual, somebody who has an annual income of 18 lakhs. Why I'm taking 18 lakhs is generally people with 0 to 10 years of experience across industries. This seems to be a 10 to 15, whatever. 18 lakhs seems to be a, you know, average salary, right? So someone, how to price your product is what I'm covering now. Okay. So let us take, is it okay? Somebody with 5, 6 years, 10 years, 15 years, because IIM graduates, IITians get much more salary. But let us look somebody who has an annual income via business or as an employee or as a freelancer, whatever. If 18 lakhs is your monthly income, sorry, annual income, I wish 18 lakh becomes your monthly income. Okay. So 18 lakhs divided by 12, that means your monthly income is 1.5 lakhs, right? That means now generally in the software industry or any industry, you are billed for 40 hours of the week, 160 hours in a month, right? So I am dividing this monthly by monthly income by 160 hours. So this becomes your hourly income, right? So you're somebody with a 18 lakh annual package has an hourly income of 937 rupees. So if you are in this online knowledge business, you should at least get 10x of your hourly income, assuming you get 10 students minimum. Okay, that it's a good place to start. Initially, you will have 1, 2, 5, 6. 10 is a good number. Makes sense? Right? Now, whatever is your marketing investments, let's remove that word expense from our dictionary, unless it is a real expense. Okay. See, if you go to McDonald's or you are partying in a fast food chain, what you eat is not an investment. Some people can say, I get pleasure, it's an investment. No, investment is something which appreciates. It is a depreciation, it deteriorates your health. It will one time, once you go to hospital, you get minimum bill in lakhs, right? So your investment, no, understand the difference between expense and investment. Your marketing costs are investment. Your operation should be 30%, your marketing should be 30%, and 40% should be your profit. But this does not happen immediately. Okay, it will take time to get 40% profit. Okay? Initially, you will be spending a lot of money on marketing and your tools cost. Okay, which is a recurring monthly cost. There is something called capex and opex. I have a lot more. One time I will do a session on capex, opex as a paper session, not doing it here, right? So now let us look another example. Somebody with a salary of we have a C-level executives here. So see, as an entrepreneur, if let me take this example: 40,000, 4 lakh, 40 lakhs, 4 crores. Okay, so somebody with a annual income of 4 crores, monthly income is 33. What a beautiful number, master number. Okay, 33. It is 3.5 lakhs, right? 3.5 lakhs, almost whatever that number, right? So hourly income is almost 21,000 rupees. Hourly income. This is for the knowledge, right? Somebody is being paid 4 crores per annum because of his skills and knowledge, right? So what should be their hourly income? 21,000 approx. That means for 10 students, they deserve to earn 2 lakhs. Change 21 to 2 lakh 10,000, whatever, right? So that's how you will see how to price your product, right? So if you're expecting 10 students, then you have to make sure your product is minimum 930, 40 rupees or 1,000 bucks. So that is why a tripwire can be priced at 999. To depending on if I am doing my per hour. See, this is not my income. My income is much more than this. I'm an entrepreneur for 14 years, right? So at least when you become an entrepreneur, twice the salary you should get. So if I am getting we have some C-level executives here. So what do you think should be the salary that is being offered to me if I join a corporate based on my skills and talents, what you have seen in this 5 days? Minimum 4 CR, can I ask? I'm not going to work below that. That itself is less. I'm an entrepreneur of 14 years. I must definitely be having at least 4x the income. I have been featured in Live Mint for being financially free. So my income is 4x of this, right? So, well, so I just wanted to bring your attention on how you should price your offering.